What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to bind pedals on Gamesir G7 SE. Firstly, plug the Gamesir G7 SE into your Xbox or PC using the USB cable. The controller will power on automatically. On PC, Windows should detect it instantly. No extra drivers needed. Now, these shortcuts only work when a headset is plugged into the controller. You can adjust master volume by holding the M button plus the D-pad app to increase volume and hold the M button and the D-pad down to decrease volume. 10 volume levels total and you'll hear a beep at max or minimum volume. Now to balance game and chat audio, hold M and D-pad left to lower game volume and raise voice chat and the other way around. Now press the mic mute button and a solid red light, which is the mic means is muted. Now lights off, mic is active on the default settings. The Gamesir SE has two rear buttons, 1.4, L4 and R4. For example, to assign jump to R4, hold M plus R4 or L4 together for 3 seconds. The indicator will blink slowly. Just press the button you want to assign, for example A. The indicator turns solid, mapping complete. Now R4 performs the same function as A. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.